This is the new Sebo Professional D9, the latest in the commercial range of Sebos. Before we take a closer look at it, I'm going to show you the difference between the D9 and the D8, because they're both ostensibly quite similar, but rather different. So the D8 has the cable on the outside and you wrap it manually. And the D8 comes with this combi head, not dissimilar to what you would find on a Henry, but better of course because it's a Sebo. The D9 comes with Sebo's ET1 head, which is the same head as you will find on E3s, Felix and Darts, some Darts. So you've got an electrically driven head with the brush rolling, and the other feature that the D9 comes with is a 12-metre auto rewind cable. The D9 also comes with 3 onboard tools: dusting brush, stair tool and crevice tool. The D8 only comes with 2 tools. If you're familiar with your domestic Sebo vacuums, the D9 is basically a commercial version of the D4, but cheaper. So the D9 has a 6-litre bag, and there's a manual height control on the head, a telescopic wand, and the power and speed control on the handle here. Let's give it a try. So what I'm about to show you is that when we switch it on, there's 2 elements to the power in this. There's a standby button here, which just sends power to the machine. You'll switch on with your foot. You have a speed control there with the plus and minus on it. And then the other little switch is the switch that powers the brush roll. Let's give it a go. If you're in the market for a commercial cylinder vacuum cleaner, this is probably the best thing you're going to buy. So that is the Sebo Professional D9, and also the difference between it and its predecessor, the D8. And you can buy these on our site at seboshop.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.